In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product images to Shopify. Having clear, high-quality images is one of the most important parts of any online store. They help your customers understand exactly what they're buying and can make a huge difference to your sales. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you step by step how to add images to a product inside your Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your store, orders, products, customers, and more. If you're not already there, log in through your usual Shopify link and you should land on that homepage. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the product you want to work on. Next, click on the specific product you'd like to add an image for. This will take you into the product details page where you see things like the title, description, pricing, and inventory. Scroll until you find the media or images section. This is where you'll manage all photos and other media for that product. In the media area, you'll see options to either select existing or upload new. If you've already uploaded some images to your Shopify files before, choose Select Existing. This will open your existing media library, letting you reuse images you've already stored. If this is a brand new image that isn't in your library yet, click Upload New instead. Then choose the image files from your computer. Once your media library or file picker is open, select the images you want to attach to this product. You can usually select more than one at a time, which is helpful if you have different angles of the same item, close-up shots, or lifestyle photos. Take a moment to make sure the images are clear, well lit, and show the product accurately. After you've selected the images you want, click on Done. Shopify will attach those images to the product, and you should see them appear in the media section of the product page. You can usually drag to reorder them so that your main image appears first. Finally, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This applies all your changes and publishes the updated images to your online store. Once it's saved, you can preview your product page on your storefront to make sure everything looks the way you expect.